Hello guys, and welcome to my new video to the Renault Clio. We have a couple of things to do, but today we will start to take out the interior. So if you ever had a Renault 5, I had a couple of Renault 5 GT Turbo in the past, or a Renault Clio A, the MK1 model, for example, as a 16 valve. I also had one. I had two. So if you ever had such a car, you know that the front seats are screwed from the downside of the car, so not from the inside. You need to go under the car, and there are 4 screws where you can remove the seat. So for the screws near the exhaust, use some WD-40 or something like that to loosen them before you start, because they might be a little bit rusty. So after you loosen the 4 screws, you can lift up the seat. Remember, there are some cables which you need to disconnect. So there are 2 little tips I want to give you before you start to uninstall anything of the car. If you need to disconnect any electrician cables or switches or whatever, remember to disconnect the car battery so that you don't get any failures in the diagnostic later maybe. And the second thing is, see that you have some cartons or some boxes where you can put all the screws together, for example for the seat. So if you want to reinstall the seat, that you have all the screws together, it makes the jobs pretty much easier. And there's really one more tip. If you're working on the interior and you need to work somewhere where it's dirty, wash your hands in between, that you don't make all the things in the interior dirty maybe. So as you can see, the inside of the car is pretty dirty and there's a lot of water in the floor. The carpet is completely full of water. I think that maybe in front of the car something is not clean anymore, and we need to clean the water lines in front of the car. Maybe also the water lines in the inside of the car. I will show you how to repair these things and to get the car dry again. But nothing major. We will take it out, make it clean. Same as the back seats. Condition is not bad, but pretty dirty. I think this person never cleaned his car in the last maybe 3-4 years. Yeah, nothing major. I'm happy with the condition. Let's get on. Let's continue with the back seats. Just pull the upholstery up. And then just clip it out. Here are 2 clips, just pull them out in 2 directions. Hey guys, I found some money. Yeah, money in the hole. And the key. Maybe the key to success, guys. What a dirt car. Hey, you need a dog? As a cat, I'm sorry. Wow. Next step is to loosen these 2 screws. put the screws back in space so you don't search them later. And before you reinstall your seats, maybe loosen and fasten the screws a couple of times so that they run good, and give them a little bit of W40. So guys, if you want to take your back seats out, you really need to lose these two screws, T40 Torx. My tool is not reaching the second screw in the back. I don't know how to come there because here's metal in the way. I only wanted to get out the seats to clean them, but now I decided to let them in the car and just clean down under it. I don't know, maybe you need to ask Renault for a special tool for removing the back seats. For me it's not so important to get them out, I just want to get them clean, so I don't mind, I will fix them again, clean them inside the car, clean down under it, and I'm happy with it. So after I remove the seats, you can see the car is wet and dirty. So let's take out the carpet and find from where the water is coming. I think it's coming from here, you know. I will show you. To take out the carpet, you need to remove the plastic skirts here. You can use a classical piece of wood. So first we need to loosen the screw here from the seat belt. The plastic is clipped together in this place. Just loosen it. So to take out the plastic on the driver's side, you need to remove the switch first. Just take some power and take it away. Just put it in, you see. To remove the plastic around the handbrake, you need a T20. The same you need if you have a CD player under the passenger seat, T20. Most in Renault is Torx. The same you need when you loosen the middle console. To remove this one, you just need to pull it up. And then there are one more screw in the middle under the trash. So after you take out the plastic in the middle, you need to unscrew these two air hoses. One screw in the top and one screw in the down. They sit like this under the carpet, and after you release the two screws, you can take them out. So after I cleaned the car from the inside, you see no damage, like new, really like a new car, even if it was underwater. Maybe this is just the point why it looks so new. I really can't find anything, so I just need to find out now where the water's coming in. I think it's coming from the front, something dumped maybe there in the front, or maybe it's coming from the antenna, which is a little bit rusty. I don't know if there's another case. If you know another case for the Clio B, let me know. The parts get wet, put them in a place where they can lose the water, and just give them 1 or 2 days time. And then you can start to clean them after they dry. So guys, and if you have listened to my advice to sort your things before you start to take them out, it looks like at my place. These are the dry parts I need to clean and to reinstall later. The wet parts to dry, as I showed you before. Yeah. And all the small stuff sorted in a box. so you later find everything easy to reinstall.